In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to apply a Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch Temu app, make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're inside, start browsing the items you want to buy and add them to your cart. When you are done shopping, tap on the cart icon and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, scroll down until you find the option that says Apply Coupon Code. Click on that. A box will appear where you can enter your coupon code. Now carefully type or paste your coupon code exactly as provided. Make sure there are no spaces or changes. After that, tap on apply. If the coupon is valid, you'll immediately see the total price reduce automatically. If the coupon does not work, it may be expired, limited to certain items, or require a minimum purchase amount. In that case, try another code or check the terms of the coupon. And that's it. This way, you can easily apply a Temu coupon code. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.